हाय दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आइए देखते हैं पीपीयू पॉलिटिकल साइंस बीए पार्ट 1 नोट्स फॉर पेपर 2। तो आइए देखते हैं टारगेट मिशन के साथ। आप लोग को एग्जामिनेशन पेपर में रेड पेन या ग्रीन पेन का यूज़ नहीं करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 2018 में ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है। द अमेरिकन सीनेट इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल सेकेंड चेंबर इन द वर्ल्ड, डिस्कस। क्वेश्चन अमेरिकन सीनेट इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सेकेंड चैम्बर इन द वर्ल्ड, डिस्कस। इंडिया की पार्लियामेंट में दो हाउसेस होते हैं, अपर हाउस एंड लोअर हाउस। अपर हाउस होता है हम लोग का राज्यसभा और लोअर हाउस होता है हम लोग का लोकसभा। वैसे ही अमेरिका की पार्लियामेंट को कांग्रेस कहते हैं। उसके भी दो हाउसेस होते हैं, अपर हाउस को द सीनेट एंड लोअर हाउस को द हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। तो आइए देखते हैं। द पावर्स एंड फंक्शन ऑफ द सीनेट प्रूव बियॉन्ड एनी शैडो ऑफ डाउट दैट नॉट ओनली इट इज़ मोर पावरफुल दैन द लोअर हाउस but it is also the most powerful second chamber in the world. Even the father of the US Constitution mentioned Senate first and then the House of Representatives in the article of the original Constitution. In prestige and authorized, the Senate has in due course and overshadow the popular House of Congress and has become unique among the second chamber of the world. The following points clearly prove the strength of the Senate of the USA. तो आइए देखते हैं कुछ पॉइंट्स जो सीनेट ऑफ द यूएसए को प्रूव करते हैं सबसे स्ट्रेंथफुल। डायरेक्टिव एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स। The Senate is the only legislative organ in the world which enjoys some direct executive powers. It shares with the President his power of making top-ranking appointments, and through this privilege, it controls the internal administration of the federal government. लेजिस्लेटिव का अर्थ होता है लॉ मेकिंग बॉडी। सीनेट एक लेजिस्लेटिव ऑर्गन के साथ साथ डायरेक्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर भी इंजॉय करता है। देन नो ट्रीटी और एग्रीमेंट विथ अ फॉरेन स्टेट कंक्लूडेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट इज़ वैलिड विदाउट द प्रेयर रेटिफिकेशन ऑफ द सीनेट। कोई भी ट्रीटी प्रेसिडेंट के अलावा सीनेट का साथ जरूरी रहता है उसमें। थ्रू दिस पावर द सीनेट कंट्रोल द एक्सटर्नल पॉलिसी ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट। इट्स टू बी नोटेड that powers are exclusively exercised by the Senate. The House of Representatives has nothing to do with them. सीनेट के पास ही केवल पावर रहते हैं एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए। दूसरा पॉइंट है स्मॉल मेंबरशिप एंड लॉन्ग टर्म। द मेंबरशिप ऑफ द यूएस सेनेट इज स्मॉल बट इट्स टेन्योर इज लॉन्ग। ऑन द अदर हैंड, the membership of the House of Representatives is large and its tenure is short. The Senate consists of only 100 members. सेनेट में मेंबर्स कम रहते हैं पर उनका टेन्योर लॉन्ग रहता है। वहीं हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स में मेंबर्स ज़्यादा रहते हैं पर उनका टेन्योर शॉर्ट रहता है। सेनेट में 100 मेंबर्स रहते हैं। This small size makes it really a more deliberative body and add to its importance. The House of Representatives is an unwieldy body consisting of 438 members. The large size of the House makes its deliberation less effective. House of Representatives में 438 members हैं। Then the senators are elected for a term of 6 years whereas members of the House of Representatives are elected only for a short term of 2 years. The senators are therefore not worried about their election after every 2 years. Moreover, during a brief span of 2 years, no party can do full justice to its program and policy. तीसरा पॉइंट है एब्सेंस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट. The absence of parliamentary form of government has also indirectly helped the Senate to acquire a dominating position over the House. In countries with parliamentary form of government, the lower house attains a higher strata than the other one on account of the fact that it has control over the executive as in England and Pakistan. In USA, the position is rather reverse. It is the upper house which has some control over the executive, and the lower house is devoid of any such power. चौथा पॉइंट है मेंबर्स ऑफ यूएस सेनेट कंसिस्ट ऑफ सीनियर पॉलिटिशियंस. Senior politicians and men with legislative experience and wider knowledge of public affairs usually aspire to the membership of the Senate because of its longer term and greater prestige than the lower house. Senate में senior politicians and men with legislative experience रहते हैं. The result is that the Senate became superior to the lower house in intellectual quality, legal talents, and political wisdom. The newspapers give great coverage to the speeches made in the Senate. Public attention is more focused on what happened in the Senate than in the House of Representatives. पब्लिक का अटेंशन ज़्यादातर सेनेट पे रहता है देन इन द हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. हमारा नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफ सेनेटर्स. अनलाइक द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेकेंड चेंबर्स in England, Pakistan, India, or Canada, US senators are directly elected by the people. It is a matter of a common experience that an indirectly elected upper chamber find it difficult to resist the will of the lower house, which is elected by the direct vote of the people in these countries. But in USA, the Senate can claim equally representative character with the House. The latter is therefore not in a position to dominate the former. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है हमारा इक्वल लेजिस्लेटिव एंड फाइनेंशियल पावर्स. द सेनेट एंजॉय equal powers in the legislative and financial sphere with the House, both in theory and practice. In England, Pakistan, and India, the upper house is given a lesser authority than the lower house in the sphere of legislation. Since in USA, both the House of Representatives and the Senate have equal and coordinate powers regarding ordinary and financial legislation. The deadlocks are frequent. In order to resolve such deadlocks, a conference committee consisting of equal members from both the House is constituted. The legislative history of Congress shows that the Senate's viewpoint which ultimately prevails. It is natural because the Senate consists of seasoned statesmen and statewide politicians and men who really matter in the public life of the country. ग्रेटर फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, ये हमारा नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है. द सीनेटर्स enjoy greater freedom of speech than the members of the lower house. A senator can go on speaking for any length of time. This enables a full length debate on every matter, and every measure is discussed from all viewpoints and angles. The rules of procedure are simple and flexible, enabling the senators to carry on full length discussion. प्रोसीड्यूर का रूल्स सिंपल और फ्लेक्सिबल रहता है जो सेनेटर में फुल लेंथ डिस्कशन को इनेबल करता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, कोर्ट ऑफ इम्पीचमेंट. द सीनेट हैज़ द सोल राइट टू ट्राई इम्पीचमेंट अगेंस्ट द प्रेसिडेंट, द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट and other high officials of the USA, both civil and political. This fact enhances the prestige of the Senate and enables it to overshadow the House. Impeachment का अर्थ होता है किसी को उसके पोस्ट से हटाने की प्रक्रिया. सॉलिडारिटी ऑफ द सीनेट, ये हमारा नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है. द सीनेट इज़ द ओनली लेजिस्लेटिव ऑर्गन इन द वर्ल्ड द मेंबर्स ऑफ विच हैव सॉलिडारिटी एंड यूनिटी irrespective of their political affiliation. As for instance, when President Roosevelt tried to bypass senatorial courtesy in 1903, it stood solidly against it. Every senator of his own party did not support him. The entire Senate stands as one unit wherever any attack on its authority is made. Solidarity का अर्थ होता है एकजुटता. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है हमारा, द सीनेटर्स रिप्रेजेंट्स द स्टेट. द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सीनेट आर इलेक्टेड बाय द इंटायर पॉपुलेशन of a state, whereas the members of the House of Representatives are elected by a fraction of population in constituency. The senator thus have the proud privilege of having great representative character and a greater popular support as against the member of the House of Representatives, the senator of the House of Representatives. The senators represent the states as political units. The old states' loyalties having diminished and the narrow outlook disappear, the senator now regard themselves as a representative of the nation as whole. Committees of investigation. The Senate can appoint committees investigating into the misuse of authority by the administration. The power increases the prestige of the Senate as against that of the House because the executive, being afraid of such investigations, subordinates to the wishes of the Senate. Conclusion. The Senate is indeed a unique institution. It partakes in all three functions of a state: executive, legislature, and judicial. In view of this, F. J. Haskin sum up the position of the Senate well. There are things which the President and the Senate may do without the assent of the House of Representatives, and things which the Senate and the House may do without assent of the President, yet the President and the House can do comparatively a little without the assent of the state. It is thus manifest that while upper chambers in other of the world have been declining in power and importance, the Senate is adding to its strength and importance. All these facts prove that no second chamber in the world enjoys such powers as are enjoyed by the US Senate. तो आज का हमारा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक यहीं ख़त्म होता है। ये क्वेश्चन 2018 में भी आया हुआ था, तो आप लोग ध्यान से इसके नोट्स बना लें और ग्रीन पेन या रेड पेन का यूज़ ना करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अगर आप लोगों को किसी और टॉपिक या सिलेबस रिलेटेड या क्वेश्चन बैंक रिलेटेड वीडियो चाहिए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं। Once again, thank you very much. Target mission is always with you all.